love cooking for my family, but I would be lying if I said I always want to cook. And lately, I've been eyeing these ready-made meals at Sam's Club, wondering if they could make life just a little bit easier sometimes.
That doesn't sound bad.
So today, we finally gave in and brought a bunch home to try. The goal? Find out which ones are actually worth putting on your table.
A little dance. That is good.
And to see if there are any you should skip. Hey y'all, I'm Mandy, and this is Mandy in the Making.
Hey y'all, we're just hanging out in Sam's Club and we thought we would bring y'all with us. Right now we're currently sitting on a couch in Sam's Club, just hanging out. So we thought we would chat with you. We came in early, so hopefully there wouldn't be too many people here. Okay, so we're gonna head over here to all of the ready-made meals. Honestly, our Sam's Club doesn't have some of the ones we were wanting to try, like the chicken pot pie. I've heard that that's great. So we're gonna go over here and just kind of wing it, see what we think sounds good, and we're gonna take it home and try it.
Wing it.
You're gonna have to bear with me. I'm having to do a voiceover because the music was so incredibly loud. We found these Hatch chili enchiladas that have more of like a queso topping versus the other chicken enchiladas that they had there that were more of like a red sauce. The next thing we wanted to try were these Italian style herb grilled chicken breasts. You know, a lot of times this is a gamble buying already grilled chicken breasts because they can really be kind of dry. So we're gonna test these out. These would be great if they are good to have on hand for lunches. Something else that caught our eye was this Mediterranean pasta. You know, if you're going somewhere and you need to take a pasta salad, if this is any good, this might be a great option for you. Seasoned steak bites. They have a compound garlic herb butter, so we're gonna give these a shot.
This thing is following us around.
Got some of this chicken Alfredo, to be honest with you. It doesn't look very appetizing because the chicken ain't got no color on it.
Yeah,
It's like they just poached it and chopped it up and put it in there.
Well, we might have to add some seasonings.
We'll find out.
Yeah.
We got the old Hatch chili chicken enchiladas. Well, I'm glad them chickens hatched for this. And then I got me some short britches for fishing. We won't tell nobody else.
Oh my goodness. Also, I got this Instacrate from Sam's last time I came. They're on clearance right now. They fold down completely flat. They're on clearance for like $4. And this is exactly what I got it for, to leave it back here so that we can put stuff in it when I go to Sam's Club.
Everything's an Insta nowadays.
Insta.
Got an Insta pot.
Nope, it's Instant Pot.
Got an Insta crate. What else we got? What kind of Instas we got? Instagram. I want an instant fishing right now. Insta fish.
Insta fish, yeah.
What I need right now.
Yeah. Yeah. So I'm guessing if you are this far in the video that you've probably heard me do a voiceover in Sam's Club. Our Sam's Club plays music so incredibly loud that I really can't film in there even with my mic on, because you can hear it. They'll copyright strike me. So that was an interesting experience.
Hey, so it's been hours. It's the same day, but we came home, got some things done, went and he ran 5 miles, I ran 3 miles, took showers, got ready, but now I'm hungry. I'm almost hangry. I'm gonna grab some of these things out of the fridge and we're going to warm them up. Disclaimer, yes, this is a lot of food that we're gonna be warming up, but I'm gonna call my sister, I'm gonna call my mama and daddy and see, after we do our taste test and get what we're gonna get, I'm gonna see if they want some of these leftovers or some of, well, I say it's leftovers, but if they want some of this, and I'm gonna take it over there this afternoon if they do. So, no food will go to waste. I'm gonna grab out, I've got our chicken here, this grilled chicken. Look, grilling chicken is not a hard thing to do. I understand this, but if you are in a pinch and you've got a busy week, it'd be nice to know if this grilled chicken is good or not. And then what I'm thinking is I'm gonna slice some of this grilled chicken and put it on top of this Mediterranean salad, just to add some extra protein to it, you know? So let's do that one first, because we don't have to warm anything up. It's already ready already, you know? So here is the chicken. It is Italian style herb grilled chicken breast. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 of them in there. It says preheat oven. Look, I'm not warming this up because we're gonna eat it on a cold salad, so we're good. Ooh, it smells delicious. Okay, got those good grill marks on it. Let's just chop up one to start. It doesn't seem dry. That was the one thing I was pretty concerned about was, is this gonna be dry? It doesn't feel like it is. So I'm gonna try a piece of this chicken before we put it on the salad. That's good, it's got a ton of flavor and it is not dry. Okay, I'm impressed with that. Now let's open up this salad and see what we think about this. It smells good. I'm guessing, is this kale that's all over it? Okay, it has some sun-dried tomatoes in there, and I'm not the biggest fan of the texture of sun-dried tomatoes. I have gotten better about it though, I will say. I'm adding this to my bowl, and then I'm gonna top it with some of this grilled chicken. It does seem like it has a good enough amount of like dressing to it, which is good. That does not look bad at all. So let's give it a try.
Well, that's really pretty.
Ain't it pretty?
Oh, you put the chicken on there.
I did.
Very good.
It looks like a good little lunch.
It does. Good job.
All right, so let's see. I'm gonna get a little bit of everything, I hope anyway.
Is it cold salad?
Yes.
Okay.
Think.
Oh, that's delicious.
That's good.
Very nice seasonings on there. Oh, wow, yeah.
It's not drenched in the dressing, but it's got enough on it.
Yeah. What kind of dressing is that?
I don't know, some Mediterranean type.
Man, that is delicious. It's got like a little bit of a vinegary sort of flavor, but it's it definitely got some garlic, I feel like, in there.
And the chicken is not dry. I do like that. Okay, out of 5 stars, what are we giving it?
Oh, I'm giving this a 5-star.
I'm gonna give it a 4.5, just because I'm picky and I don't love the texture of sun-dried tomatoes. But that's a me thing. It tastes wonderful though. I just don't love sun-dried tomatoes. You know this.
Is it, what is this? The green.
Kale.
Kale, that's right. Okay. The kale is a little interesting texture for sure. It's got a lot more.
It's very.
You got to work on it a little more.
It's hardy, sturdy, which I understand why they used it, because it's going to hold up. You know, they can pre-make it and it's going to hold up. But yeah.
The more I eat of it, the more I can tell that I should probably notch it down to maybe a 4.7. Because it's not, I mean, it's great.
Kale is not my favorite, but.
It's very fibrous.
Very much so.
It's got a stem.
Yeah, that's not fun. I know, I already spit one out.
Yeah, the stem is a little off-putting. It's stemmy. But the flavor overall, really good. Good. Did you add any more salt to this or anything on it? Perfect amount of seasoning in there. This is a winner. Good job.
If you see the Mediterranean pasta and you're looking for a good, easy lunch for the week, get this, add some grilled chicken on top. Yeah. We've got these Hatch chili chicken enchiladas. Preheat the oven to 350, remove the top and cover with foil and cook for 35 minutes. Okay, got that one. And then, of course, this one is at a different temperature. This one is at preheat the oven at 375, remove the top, cover with foil, cook for 40 to 50 minutes. I'm gonna do them in the oven at the same time. We're gonna meet in the middle. One says 350, one says 375. We're gonna do 360 and call it good. And then we'll put them both in there. I'll take this one out a little before this one, but this is the chicken Alfredo. I don't think I said. So we're gonna try both of these, and let's see, how many servings does this say it has? 6 servings in each of these, I think. No, 8 servings in this one. So we're definitely not eating all of this. But let's go preheat that oven. Let's don't tell anybody, but y'all ain't gonna tell nobody, right? We're gonna throw a little bit of this seasoning on top. Steven's right, that chicken looks super bland. I mean, really, really bland. So I'm gonna throw a little of this seasoning on top just because I'm trying to help it some. Trying to boost its rating just a little bit, you know. We did get this seasoning from Sam's, so I feel like it's a fair addition. Let's grab some foil. All right, chicken Alfredo is done and ready to go in the oven. And then we've got these chicken enchiladas. That looks kind of like a backwards 3, but that's an E for enchiladas. That way I don't have to peek into these to know which one's which when I'm going to remove them, because I need to remove this one first and let that one hang behind. So I just grabbed a Sharpie and put an E on it, but these are about to go in the oven. So the enchiladas need to cook for 30 to 35 minutes at 350. So I'm gonna do 30 minutes at 360. And then we'll let the chicken Alfredo stay in for longer. It has been 30 minutes. Let's take the enchiladas out, and we're gonna leave the Alfredo in there for another 20 to 25 minutes. Not all the cheese melted. I'm gonna put this back in there uncovered for another couple of minutes. Do you see this? It's not cold, but not all the cheese melted. So I'm gonna pop that back in there. Okay, I left it in there for about 3 more minutes, and it looks like it's done now. So let's give these a try. I'm gonna be honest, they kind of look bland, but I'm really hoping for the best. So it said there are 6 servings in here. There's basically 3 really long enchiladas, so you just cut them in half, I guess, and each one is a serving.
Okay, y'all. First take. Visually, not very appealing.
It just looks
Mushy.
bland.
It looks mushy. It looks a little bland. You can
You can
smell
smell
cheese
some
on
stuff,
there.
yeah.
And it's got the pepper jack cheese on there, so you can definitely smell that.
It is cheesy. That is faux show.
I feel like that's what I'm cutting into, just a big glob of cheese.
There's some chicken in there. I can see some chicken.
I don't know if I got any chicken in mine.
Oh, I don't know. I got lots of chicken on mine.
Tink.
Tink. All right.
I just got a massive load of cheese in my mouth.
You didn't get any chicken?
No chicken.
I got 2 big old pieces of chicken.
Chicken in there. Spicy. That cheese is definitely pepper jack.
Yeah, it's got a good little spice to it for sure. There's some more chicken there. It's okay.
It's all right.
It's not great.
It's very mushy. Like, look, that's mush. I'm just gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. Y'all don't believe me. Look, we're just gonna get up in here. I don't know if you can see that.
It is a little mushy.
I mean, it is just bathed in cheese. Which
It is.
I guess sounds good, but
And I mean, the taste itself, the flavor is pretty good.
yeah, it's
got more
alright.
flavor than it looks like it has. I'll say that.
I mean, all I'm tasting is cheese.
Well, I've gotten a good amount of chicken. So I think I'm getting all the chicken and you're getting all the cheese.
I got chicken that time. Not bad. It's definitely not dry, that's for sure. It's very
Not dry.
But I feel like the only seasonings that I'm getting is the cheese.
It's the chilies. There's like the little green
Yeah,
chilies
the
in there.
green chilies.
And the pepper jack cheese.
And that's it.
That's the only seasonings that are in there. Yeah. So out of a 5, what would you give it? I'd give it like a 3.
Yeah, I'm going to give it a 2.5.
Okay. Fair enough.
It's just very mushy and not very...
It's just meh.
It's just meh.
I like it okay.
It's all right. I mean, you know, it's...
It's not bad, but would I recommend it? No, probably not. I would say maybe try the other chicken enchiladas that are there.
If you're into cheese and you're into like
And a lot of it.
soggy
Tortillas.
then this might be for you.
All right, our chicken enchilada, no, our chicken Alfredo just came out of the oven. Ooh, that don't look half bad. And honestly, I feel like it's because I put that seasoning on top, you know? Otherwise, it would look really bland. Excuse me, sir. Yeah, that's not coming off. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna stir it up just a little bit. And I'm gonna top it with just a little more of that seasoning.
Looks good.
Yeah. And
Got some flavor on there.
I'll put some of this on top.
Buttery
Okay.
steakhouse.
Yeah, I'm hoping this is good.
It looks pretty.
It does look pretty because I put that seasoning on
See
it.
some cheese on there.
Did you get some chicken?
Oh, there's chicken in there?
Right there.
Oh.
Oh, I'm losing my pasta.
Pink.
Okay. It's better homemade, of course. But that's good.
That is good. The initial bite, real good. Once you get it down, the cheese is a little grainy, but not like, just a tad bit grainy. Just a little bit of texture on it, man. Just barely. It's hard to even tell, but I noticed it, so I thought I'd say something.
I'm not noticing that, but okay.
It's really good.
Out of a 5, I'd give it a 4.
Yeah, I can sit with that.
You good with that?
Yeah.
That's a good chicken Alfredo.
I mean, I'm still eating it.
I would say, I think adding seasoning to it probably helped.
A little dance. That is good.
Yeah.
I like that.
I wish there was more chicken. Oh, there's a piece. But, yeah, okay. Mediterranean pasta. It's the best one so far. Then this one. Then the enchiladas. Now, we still have to make the steak bites. Those are made in the air fryer.
L.I.B.
I know, so we've got to make those in just a few minutes. So.
That'll be good. I know that's going to be good.
Okay, I just got back from my sister's house. I took over the rest of the chicken Alfredo. They are having that for dinner tonight. We have one more that we need to try. The last thing we need to try are these seasoned beef bites with garlic and herb compound butter. I was looking at the instructions. I'm kind of excited about this because it says you can do it on the stovetop or in the microwave, but it says recommended method is the air fryer. And I have some potatoes, like a potato dish that we made the other day. So we'll have that along with it. but it just says to preheat the air fryer to 350, remove the excess liquid from the beef pouch, and then place the beef in the preheated air fryer. So this is very, very simple. And I'm gonna open this and drain any excess liquid. I'll just drain it into this right here. Is there any excess liquid? There is literally no liquid. I'm turning this thing over, there's nothing. Okay, well, that makes it really easy. Let me grab our air fryer baskets. I'm gonna just break this up as I go. Okay, I'm gonna be real honest with you. It's kind of grossing me out because you know how when fat gets cold, it congeals. Yeah, there's some of that on here. I mean, I know it's gonna go away once we heat it up, but it's kind of not very appealing when you are working with it. But there was no extra juices. Look, tiny little bit. Now, since I didn't preheat my sous vide, I'm gonna cook these on 350 for about 10 to 11 minutes. Okay, so we've got our large mixing bowl here and we've got this butter. I'm gonna go ahead and add that here. Our steak bites are almost done. Let's just, oh yeah, that butter is starting to melt quickly. Let's just stir that around and get them all good and coated. Okay, that smells delicious. I know it doesn't look like much, but it smells really good. It does smell good.
Ooh, they look great too.
Yeah.
Oh man, if we had like a chimichurri.
Yeah, that would be good. Okay. Y'all are in the cabinet. I'm reaching for... Okay, let's give this a shot.
I can't wait. You know what we need a toothpick.
A toothpick? How about I just get a fork?
We can use a fork too.
Yeah. This man is looking for toothpicks. I'm
looking
getting a
for
fork.
A toothpick like it's like hors d'oeuvres.
Well, you know what? We only have one fork clean because we've got to run the dishwasher.
See there? We need the toothpick.
The toothpicks are right here, sweetie. Right there.
Oh, right here in front of my face.
Don't you love it? Me and Tabby were talking about that the other day, about how men can be like, no, it's not here, and we just walk right over there and just grab it, and it's right in front of their face. Yeah, that just happened over there. Okay.
Here, I'll give you a smaller bite.
Okay, well, I had a fork, but okay. We'll do toothpick way. Let's go.
Look at there.
Something. Tink.
Mmm.
Flavor? Yes.
Man. Mmm.
Texture? A little strange.
It tastes like air fryer texture.
Well, I mean, it was air fried.
Man, that's good.
It is good.
Mmm.
But y'all know I'm a texture person.
That's super tender. Really
Very tender, not dried out at all.
No. Very tender, like almost melting your mouth tender. A little caramelization on top there makes it really special. These are really good.
Hey, you rate them.
A 5.
I'm gonna say a 4.
A 4? Mm-hmm. It's because I picked these out.
It's the texture. It's strange.
Yeah,
It's not normal steak texture.
it doesn't have normal steak texture. Let's cut into this. We're working with real steak here.
There's no telling.
Let's let them look at that.
Okay, that shows the texture very well.
See the texture? Some strands in there.
It's kind of stringy a little
That's
bit.
consistent with what I'm getting.
Yeah. It's not my favorite, but it's delicious. I will say the flavor is amazing. You'll have to tell me, are you a texture person? Knowing that, would you buy these? Stephen loves them. I like them. I'm gonna leave it at that. That's gonna be it from us today. I hope this was helpful. If you've ever been eyeing all of those ready-made meals at Sam's Club and you thought, but is it worth it? I feel like we were able to give you some good feedback today. Thank y'all so much for being here, and I'll see you next time. Bye, y'all.